Brace for a typhoon. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning accessible and fun. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. Brace for a typhoon. This phrase is not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and its context. Let's dive into the whirlwind of learning. The phrase, brace for a typhoon, combines two keywords, brace and typhoon. To brace means to prepare oneself for something difficult or unpleasant that is about to happen. A typhoon is a tropical storm in the region of the Indian or Western Pacific Oceans, characterized by powerful winds and heavy rain. So, when we put these words together, the phrase suggests preparing for a significant, potentially damaging event. While the phrase can be taken literally in regions prone to such natural disasters, it's also used metaphorically. You might hear someone say, "We need to brace for a typhoon," in a business meeting when a significant challenge is ahead. It emphasizes the need for preparation and caution. Literal example, the news says there's a typhoon coming. We need to brace for a typhoon by securing our homes. Metaphorical example, with the upcoming product launch, we're bracing for a typhoon of customer inquiries. Understanding the context is crucial when using or interpreting this phrase. The meaning can vary significantly depending on whether it's used in a literal or metaphorical sense. Being aware of the situation helps to apply the phrase accurately and avoid confusion. Brace for a typhoon is a powerful expression that vividly describes the act of preparing for a challenging situation, whether it's a natural disaster or a metaphorical storm in life or business. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and images they conjure up. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay safe, and keep learning.